Hi everyone, welcome to Atma Yoga Shala's 300-hour yoga teacher training program. My name is Joshna. In the asana and pranayama module, we will learn 11 different sequences of vinyasa krama. What is vinyasa krama? V means special, nyasa means to place, krama means in a sequence. There are few asanas placed in a particular special way in a sequence and they form one particular sequence. So we have trikonasana sequence, we have supine sequence, prone sequence, and each of these sequences has so many asanas. So totally around 300 asanas, and these are one of the very special sequences that you will learn to understand your body and your breath better. And also we have pranayama classes where you will have 9 different pranayama techniques and you will learn how to increase your prana and how to feel better in your own body. In this teacher training program, you will also learn anatomy and physiology and teaching methodology. Under anatomy and physiology, you will learn human anatomy and organ systems in detail and how yoga and yoga postures are related to your organ systems. Now, under teaching methodology, you will learn how to give proper instructions, how to give clear cues so that a person can perform a posture better, and how to safely touch and correct the person with proper key alignment points.
Atma Yoga Shala's teacher training program is comprehensive in the sense that it covers various components of yoga. I am Anupama Das. I've been teaching and learning yoga for the last 20 years, and I will be taking you through the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. This text is considered to be a classical, ancient, and authoritative text on yoga that talks about the human mind, the way it functions, how we can overcome certain obstacles, why we have suffering, dukkham, etc. Students who have learned the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali have always mentioned how it has benefited them, not just in terms of understanding these gems of wisdom, but how it has enabled them to apply the sutras in daily life and thereby handle situations in their lives in a much better manner.
Hi, I'm Aravind and I will be helping you learn the Vedic chanting in this 300-hour Vinyasa Yoga teacher training program. Vedas are considered to be the oldest and the most authoritative of the Indian scriptures and are recited with great reverence and attention to detail. In this module, we will be learning some Vedic chants, the rules and the benefits of Vedic chanting, and last but not the least, the relationship between yoga and Vedic chanting. We will explore how Vedic chant can help us in our personal yoga journey as well as how to use Vedic chants in a yoga class. These sessions are designed to be highly interactive and interesting, and you will get to experience as to how Vedic chants help you increase your attention to listening, your memory, your focus and your breath capacity, which is very important for a yoga teacher. I'm so excited and I'm waiting to meet you all at the Vedic chanting sessions.
Namaste, my name is Ananya and I will be teaching the asana with props as well as yoga nidra topics that are part of the curriculum at the teacher training program that is offered by Atma Yoga Shala. Now, while traditionally both of these subjects are not part of the Vinyasa Krama philosophy or practices, the reason we have included it as part of this teacher training is to give the students who will be participating an opportunity to have a more well-rounded practice, as well as to give them insight into different schools of yoga practice, which they can then use as tools to apply when they go on to teach yoga to others. With Yoga Nidra, we will be learning the 4-stage Yoga Nidra practice, and with Asana with props, students will get an opportunity to explore various kinds of props, including yoga blocks, bolsters, the Iyengar chair, how to use all of these props as tools in your own practice as well as in your teaching to help deepen the experience of yoga for the practitioners. So I'm really excited about the upcoming batch and I hope to see some of you there.
Come and practice with us this 300-hour teacher training program.